Welcome back to Holder Flat. We are here in San Marino for Rally Legend 2024. Yes, that's right, we had returned to the third smallest country in the world, the Republic of San Marino, for Rally Legend, an infatuation with the past, a fascination with the present, and an immeasurable, all-encompassing passion for rallying. And in this, the 22nd edition of Rally Legend, we celebrate Stig Blomqvist and the Audi Quattro's 40th anniversary of their 1984 WRC Championship win. The 50th anniversary since Lancia's beautiful Stratos HF took its first WRC title. And also the legendary Dakar Rally, with some seriously unique and impressive machines, and also names like Ari Vatanen and Jutta Kleinschmidt, the only woman to ever triumph in the Dakar. So, as things got underway on Thursday night, with the Sprint Legend race, one thing was evidently clear: the popularity of this event is going from strength to strength. We couldn't get near the first roundabout just outside the Rally Legend village. Madness.
This is a pinch me moment. Like, look over my shoulder. Maybe Blue sits. Turn the camera. What the? Oh my goodness me, I am just mind blown. So just stopped before we head out to the stages on Friday to get a wee bite to eat. Some self-made baguettes, some rolls. Yeah, not great, does the job, fills a hole. Not as good as Four Lanterns, is it? If you find yourself in Letterkenny, Buncrana, Donegal town, hit them up for a good feed. So, the hire car, Volkswagen T-Cross, dead on wee thing I suppose. Gets us from A to B. But if you're looking for a quality used car in the Letterkenny area, give Evan Larkin Cars a shout and they'll get you hooked up with some great stock. Absolutely shattered. We're going to see the first proper stage live here. I think it's called Chasing a Weva, and I'm knackered walking up that hill. 50-degree incline, maybe more. Oh, it's big incline, but we're nearly there now, and it's going to be dark, and hopefully the atmosphere's good. We chose this stage because the other stages, you know, there's people parked miles away from the stage. Well, I don't know how far they were away, but it seemed like an age. So we picked the least popular, furthest away, hopefully best vantage points. Here goes nothing. 037. That was brilliant.
Like me. Well, you know you can't be like me. Check the mirror, see the reflection. Ain't nobody quite like me. See, I'm perfection. Unique vibe, can't duplicate. Swag is so cool, every day I celebrate. No copycats, just one original. Couldn't hide out, even if I wasn't visible. Cooler than the breeze, fresher than the air. No comparison, I'm beyond comparing. And you know I ain't never sharing. Mean girls can't sit with me with what you're wearing. Pretty like a sunset, cool like the night. In my own spotlight, shining so bright. Don't need for validation, I am the prize. In the world of clones, I'm still gonna rise. Why everybody wanna be like me? Well, you know you can't be like me.
On to Saturday then, race day 2 officially.
You can't be like me.
And an unfortunate accident on stage 4, Pian de Velo 1 sees the stage cancelled. So we have to hang around for the second run on stage 7. But we certainly weren't disappointed with this downhill gravel section. It was mighty.
So we're trying to get off the stage, and you want us the hill would just come up, and the hill is right in front of us.
Yeah, just creep into it, look.
Oh, that's a bit creepy. You never know who's going to keep out of the darkness here.
Clean up behind us in a minute.
Darren, come out of that bush. Yeah, we're trying to just get off the stage, and San Marino is so mountainous. Prepare yourselves for that if you ever come here.
And so when we finally escaped the Piano de Velo stage, it was time to let the herd out on Saturday night.
You boy, it's the way to get about. We need these at home, but then it's illegal, isn't it? Oh fuck me, mine just took off. Huh? Well, that's a cycle, yeah. My bad. Wait up, you're getting away. What'd you get? You got the 13 now. Say, give me that famous saying.
It's fucking flat to the square right.
Hold it flat up here to the square right.
Fucking think about
Hold it flat to the square right.
We're tuning in to hold our flat. Let's find the origins of how this all came about. So, sir, what happened at the square right?
Well, I thought it was the left.
What? You called the wrong note, you cunt, you?
fucking called the wrong note, didn't you? Keep her on the road.
We're back on the scooty. Oh, these are brilliant. We need these back at home. Honestly. So handy to get around. I don't know what they are. The limes are the way to go. Oh, there's the Evo 6. There's the Mackinnon. Nice. Nice Evo 6. Yes, lads. It's alright. Flat out. Flat out tonight, hey?
Yeah, we need to go on the main road.
I'm following you. You're leading the way.
I'm going to cut feet tech here.
BC.
Oh, stay it. Let's do it.
I'm on the fucking gratings. Oh, jeez, I'm gonna stop there, boys. Oh. What is that? I don't even know what day this is. Is this day 4?
Could be.
It's day 4, isn't it?
Yep.
It's the final day. We're a wee bit late to the show. Slept in. So we're gonna head up here and see what we can see. And see the finish ramp. Beautiful. Go on, Jimmy, glass it. Back sat at the roundabout a year on the wind down just before we head over to the finish ramp. Never gets boring. It never gets boring. Well, there we go. Another trip to Rally Legend over. Another great event. And we're already looking forward
To next year.
to next year. Yep. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Until next time, hold her flat.